Little storyteller.
The sun shone brightly on Lego City, making the little plastic houses sparkle. A friendly Lego firefighter, Finn, with a shiny red helmet, waved to a brave Lego knight, Sir Reginald, whose armor gleamed. The river that flowed through Lego City was a sparkling blue. Suddenly, a giant, fluffy dust bunny rolled into the town square. It was bigger than the tallest Lego building, and its fuzzy fur tickled the air. More giant dust bunnies followed, bouncing gently down the plastic streets. They weren't mean, just very clumsy and a bit lost. "Oh dear," said Finn. "They're making a mess," Sir Reginald agreed, "but they don't look like they mean to." One little dust bunny bumped into the bakery, sending soft Lego bread rolls tumbling onto the street. Finn had an idea. "Maybe they just want to play," he exclaimed. He grabbed a giant Lego ball from the park. He and Sir Reginald carefully rolled it towards the dust bunnies. The fluffy creatures stopped and looked at the ball with their round, curious eyes. One of the dust bunnies gently nudged the ball with its fluffy side, and it rolled back to Finn and Sir Reginald. The Lego people cheered. The dust bunnies seemed happy too, bouncing up and down with soft thuds. Soon all the dust bunnies were happily playing with the giant Lego ball, rolling it around the town square. The Lego firefighters helped them keep the ball away from the buildings, and the Lego knights cheered them on. Everyone was laughing. After a fun afternoon of play, the dust bunnies started to float gently upwards, carried by a light breeze. They waved their fluffy bits goodbye to Finn and Sir Reginald as they drifted away into the sunny sky. Finn and Sir Reginald smiled at each other. Even though the dust bunnies were big and a bit clumsy, they just needed a friend and something fun to do. It's always good to find a way to play together. Did you know that real dust bunnies are made of tiny bits of fluff and dust stuck together?
Please subscribe. Thank you.